Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. 5 stages of grief. This is by the Kubler rules. So first stage will be there is denial. So first stage of grief is denial. So denial means the patient becomes numb or dazed with the news of its own imminent death and refuse to accept the diagnosis. So first is denial, that is you refuse to accept in short. Then comes the A. A is when first you refuse to accept, and A comes the anger. So first you refuse to accept and then you become anger, and then is B. B stands for the bargaining. So first you refuse to accept, then you become angry, and then you become bargaining. Bargaining means the patient may start to bargain with God, friends and doctors to cure or buy some more time. So you bargain with God, friends or even doctors to gain more time. That is the B. Then comes the depression. D for the depression. So depression means the patient may go into the depression. In simple terms, it's just being sad or depressed. Then comes A. TABDA is the mnemonic. So then comes, we look at A. So here A stands for the patient finally accepts the death is inevitable and makes further preparations. So acceptance is where the patient is able to accept that the individual is dead and they make further preparations are made. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.